Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got yet another organising photocards video, just because I haven't been able to do anything else. I've been really ill recently, which means there's been like a lack of content and I haven't been putting any of my cards away just because I haven't been able to get out of bed. I like dislocated my shoulder and then got a chest infection, so I've been like dying. Sorry for the lack of videos. But I do need to do some reorganising as well, so we're just gonna jump straight in. We'll start with my misc folder. Oh no, this is twice. We'll start with twice then, I guess. We only have like two. And they're just some summer nights. I have made some really awesome progress on the like extra members of Twice, because I did only collect Jay. And now I collect everyone. Well, no. I collect 3 members, but I am hoping to expand my OT9 up to OT9 up to What Is Love. So hopefully that'll work out. Do I sound super ill? I really hope I don't. That'd be so embarrassing. So we have this Amina card. For the Summer Nights, I'm collecting an OT9 set, the one with just the border and not anything else. But I've also taken out all of my pre-order benefit cards since they just piss me off. Don't know why. Can't stand them. And that is just all of the Twice cards. I just need 2 more for the Story Begins, so it's frustrating me because I can't find them anywhere. And I'll move on to the actual misc folder. So I've got this sparkly page from a friend. And it's so cute. I'm gonna get like so many more, so I can put them on all of my dividers. Just lowering the camera. So I have a couple cards for here. I started collecting someone new and I've finished a set of Yeri. So Yeri is actually complete up until Psycho, since I now have her day 2, all of her day 2 cards. Which, to be honest, is some of her best cards. Yeri with blonde hair is just superior. I feel like I'm breathing really loudly. I'm sorry if you can catch that on the microphone. It sucks. Oh, and the glare. This video is a mess. But I have been a mess recently, so it's fitting. And that is all done. That's really exciting. Now I just need to finish Psycho and Yeri is up to date. So I am collecting someone new. Can't remember quite where I put her. Here. So I'm now up to collecting Dahyun from Rocket Punch. Since I love Rocket Punch so much, I decided to just collect her. Been deciding on it for quite a while. I only have 1 album card at the minute, so thought why not, and I just picked up her fan meeting cards. Rocket Punch have been like really working their way up my bias list. I say that about every new group I collect, but that's just how it is. And she's just too cute for life. So I thought I'd just go for it. In their first album, I pulled Judy, so I do have her up for trade. And the next album's just coming out, I think. Is it Red Punch or something? I hope they have the 1 album card again. That'd be really super awesome. Of what company are they with? I can't remember. Of their company to do that. But I have joined a group order for it, so hopefully I can get her card. Or cards. They decide to focus over. And that is all of the cards from this album, I think. This album, this folder. So this Daniel card, it got lost in the mail, apparently. So I'm still looking for that, which sucks so bad. And I wish Saturday would have a comeback. It's been a while since Pyong. This paper is so nice. And moving on to ATs, which I do have some for. Oh, the reorganising. I forgot to reorganise, never mind, coming back. So I caved and decided to sort of do something with my Luna cards. I think I'm going to collect Olivia or all of the solos or something. So I'm just going to shove all of the attendance cards in this column. Then put all of the unit cards elsewhere. Don't know what I'm going to do with those, no order they go in. And I did recently buy Vivi's reprint album. So I'm like really excited to get that. So now I have all of the solos, which is lit. I never thought I'd be able to do that. I still have not found Chetty's attendance card, which sucks so bad. I did secure it from someone, but I think they forgot and sold it on. Can't quite remember. Let's take out this unit card. I don't have any of the Odd Eye Circle unit albums, mainly because they've been out of print since they were in print, if that makes any sense. So that kind of sucks, and I really do wish they'd reprint them. Maybe they will one day. But I think I might collect all of their solo cards. So this is only 24. It's not too crazy, right? I mean, I collect ATs. Can't be that crazy. And we'll just put the unit cards on their own separate page for now. Since I'll just collect my bias from these. But I think I'm a bit of a clown trying to do this. I've seen people struggling with Luna so much. Why am I going to put myself through this? And that is officially the end of this folder. So we move on to ATs. I just have like some cards from the other group orders I joined and then some spares to just pop in the bag. So the blue version, or is this the red version? This is the red version. I just have Mingy and San, which means I finished San's set. Gosh, I keep knocking the camera, I'm sorry. This glare is terrible. And the video is so dark, I think, which is not ideal. And then we just have Hongjun from the, this one, the blue version, which is Z, I think. Awesome. And then this is the spare page where I'm just going to put my extras. Some of these are my music taste. If you're interested in any of these, drop me a message on my Instagram. It's in the description below because I don't collect these members for my music taste. I'm not putting these in sleeves, there's no real point, since I might not be in here for too long. And I did actually get into the London fan sign, which is literally insane. I didn't think I would, since I didn't buy that many albums really compared to others, but I did get into London fan sign, so if anyone kind of wants a vlog or anything about that, I'm happy to do that. I probably will be doing that for the concert anyway, so it's on the same like weekend, but I can happily like put in the fan sign as well, and I'll probably do like an unboxing of the fan sign album. Then I just have finished my music taste set with these two Jungkook cards. He looks so cute in these. How is better? Where's this sound going? And that thankfully is everything. Oh yeah, I put all my group cards back because I hated it. It looked awful. And that is all of my ATEEZ cards now. That is OT8 finished. Up until episode Finn. And almost done with Answer. Well, I need to do the anniversary one. But that's gonna take a little bit longer since it was like a special edition. But with the fan sign albums that I got, I might be able to finish all of these, which would be lit. But that is, I'm gonna finish it there because I'm like dying. So thank you for watching my video, and I'm so sorry it's one of these ones again. Put a little purple heart in the comments if you have watched up to this point, and thank you for watching.